I'm going to show you how to easily turn back on the iPhone's battery percentage level number view. By default, when you upgrade or get a new iPhone, the battery level here on the top right of the screen no longer shows a percentage number. Instead, it just shows a battery icon, and it's filled with approximately how much battery life is left. Luckily, you can turn it back on, and it's super easy. Start by finding and then opening the Settings app on your home screen. Inside of here, scroll down a bit, and then you'll see Battery. Choose that. Inside of the battery settings menu, at the top, you'll see the battery percentage. This is the setting that'll turn back on the percentage number display. Tap the slider here on the right to turn the feature back on. Once you do, you'll see here on the battery that in addition to the battery fill level, you'll also now see that the percentage life is back. No more guessing as to how much battery life your iPhone has. After that, you can go ahead and close the Settings app. And again, in the future, if you ever want to turn this back off, just head back into the Settings menu, scroll down and then choose Battery, and then here at the top, turn off Battery Percentage. And that's how you turn back on and view the iPhone's battery percentage level.